Hi, I'm Ian. Today I'm going to do a reliability test of the CMMG 22lr conversion kit. I've got 150 rounds and 20 times of jams.
Oh, I like that. Yep.
That's 25.
No.
That's 22 ammo. 22 ammo. The semi-automatic rifle I've got is a 10-22.
Yeah.
With a 16-inch bull barrel and the whole
Yeah.
seriously thinking about getting a little froggy and getting a timber trigger put in here.
Woo!
It's got marked as 10-22, but it's wrapped around the
Alright.
rear guard.
So, we had a couple bump fires by accident, but all 150 rounds fed flawlessly. As for dirt and debris, I've been shooting this all day, and this is around like 400 rounds.
Oh, absolutely. Okay, how accurate is that going to be, even if you put the mix
So,
on?
there we go. Next, I'll do an accuracy test. So, I have 5 rounds of standard velocity Aguila Super Extra, and I'm going to shoot 5 rounds onto the right and the left, and then I'm going to switch bolts, and I'm going to shoot 5 rounds of 223, and we're going to see exactly how much of a difference it is switching between the two calibers. So, at 25 meters, you can see that my rifle is not zeroed for 25 meters. My 223 is right there, and you can see the 22 is ever so slightly lower at 25 meters. So it's about an inch lower. Alright, for one more reliability test, I have another 150 rounds. That'll bring this to 300 rounds after this. I'm going to see if there's any malfunctions.
Sounds like a painful gun.
Alright, we have one.
It does.
Failure feed. Alright, so that's 300 rounds, 1 failure to feed. I think this is a pretty good product.